Hello everyone, this is JavaScript Beginner Tutorial Series number 24, and in this tutorial you are going to learn this JavaScript. The array method is shift and unshift. We are going to learn about it. So first of all, we are going to do as a two-part. This is array, first one is shift and another one is unshift. So let's try to understand this array shift. That is how the array shift method is work, the function over there. So let's say the method, and there you can say take a variable over there, and there I have write some name. There is a name Hassan and Abbas. So I take this, there is a 4 character of name, but this shift function is basically work to remove the first element of this array element, which is the first element. So this will be removed, the shift function will be removed there. It will be keep the printed of this left of the names over there. You can see this will be work like this, but this have writing a name of this. For doing this, there have the shift function. So for this shift function, we can using that shift function we can remove the first character of the name of this array element, or we can add this using that array unshift function. So we'll be see that later. So first of all, let's try to do the practical of this array shift, that how it's work. Okay, here you can say open my Visual Code Student. We're going to see the live preview on the browser over here. So I have this already created index.html file. So now I need to create a file which is our js folder. I need to create a file which is shift and unshift. So let me create it, shift and unshift .js. Now save this file and hide the left side of window. Now open the index.html file. Now connect this file which is our shift and unshift.js file. Now save it. So we have this default one there, so I need to remove this one so that you will not get in confusion of the text over there. So it is plain skin over there. Now just open over this shift and unshift.js file. So first of all, let me make a variable over there. So I'm going to take a var a, and we're going to creating an array. Inside of this a variable, we're going to create an array over there. So you cannot this square bracket and array. Inside of this, I'm going to putting the name over there. So first name. After this first name, I'm going to add another name which is Rabaya, and the third name I'm going to creating it, this is Hassan, and then I'm going to take another name which is Abbas. So I have take this name over there. Now just terminate it. Now just go back to the work over there. So this is, I'm just going to make it first of all print it, and let's see that how it's work. So document.write, and inside of this function is a. Now save this file. You can see it was a plain name is displaying over there. So we can add some spaces over there also. So spaces, and it will be inside of this plus. Now save it. Okay, this space is basically no need. When we have some more line, then the space will be work there. Now save this file. We have this default one there. Now we're going to do the shift function of the shift example over there. So which is this array. We know that this how to write it. So you have to write that first of all variable dot, then you have to write the method name. So if I write the default method over there, and I just need to print this line simply over there. Now after this one, now save this file. Okay, there it was record break. So I'm going to add a break over there, plus break. Now there you can see the line break over here. So let me make it double break so that you can perfectly watch and see over there. So there you can see this is perfectly, and there you can see the first name, there is Zanif, and it was removed successfully. This shift is basically by default it will be remove whatever you have in this first array element, it will be removed. If we are going to add a specific name over there, also the Hanif, and it's also will be the removable, will be the remove. Or if we write here is a different type of name, whatever I am writing over there, it's also will be the remove, because the shift is by default the function is work to remove the array first element over there. So we can make it as basically totally difference of this shift function. The shift basically work for the removing the first value of this array element, but this unshift is work for the adding this the first element. This unshift is used for to replace this first element. We can replace if we make it the default function for this, and this have the writing option that is in the JavaScript. This is unshift function. If we write the default unshift, then it will be replace the previous name as it have. If we write inside of this some character of a specific name, then it will be replace the name that we have specified in the unshift function. So let's see that how to do that practical. we're going to do that how to this example this work for the shift. Now we're going to do that how to work for the unshift example. So let's do it. And for this we just need to back one there. I just need to copy this one, so this line of here, so I'm just going to make it comment. So first of all, this is comment and save this, so we have this line plain over there. So now I'm going to do it using that. I'm just going to copy and paste it, and before this, instead of shift, I need to write here this a.unshift. Now save it, and here we can see this value was already it was displaying over there, but we're gonna adding here. If we provide the value in this unshift, it will be implement of this first element of this array over there. Now I'm just going to put it here. I'm just going to writing here CodePrime, so that it will be display is a specific example. Now save it. We can see it was successfully put it on the before this first element. This is the hive, and we add this another element of one there. This is the first element before this, so it was successfully added. So this shift is basically work to remove the first element, and the unshift is basically work to for the adding some another unshift element. If we make it the default function, then if we will be add this the replace value what it have, so this will be replaced that. So for example, if we are going to enable this one, this or shift function, then still it will be enabled over there. So let me add a break so that you can understand perfectly. Break. Now save it. So now you can see that this is basic name, so we have will be this will be implemented over there. So now we're going to put the name that what we are going to this implemented. So this will be add one there. So this is, and we can see that CodePrime is added on this first element. So this is basically shift and unshift work. So I'm just going to make it the clear again. The shift is basically work for the removing that array first element, and unshift is basically work for to add another element into this or array first section. If we haven't this, then also it will be put another name, like the push is work for the last one. The pop and push, you have already known about it when I was trying to explain about the arrays basic method. On that section I have already talked about the pop and push, so you must watch that. I will also provide the pop and push video into my video description, you can get there. But the pop and push only work for the last array element, and this shift and unshift is work for the first element. So I hope you clear that how it's work. So if you have any question about it, you can give me on the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like on it and share it with your friends, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any tutorial from us.